Hello, and thank you for joining today's demonstration. Today I'm going to be walking you through YCharts.com. YCharts is a fully web-based investment platform that allows investment advisors to make smarter investment decisions through these 5 impactful use cases. Monitor the markets using a dashboard and custom email reports, build and automate model portfolios in our Model Portfolios application and via our Excel plugin, generate new ideas in our powerful stock and fund screeners, research and compare securities in our comp tables, time series, and quote pages, and visualize information in our fundamental and technical charts. Let's get started. Whenever you log into a YCharts account, you'll find yourself on a dashboard page. Here you can set up customizable lists of securities, portfolios, or customizable charts on the right-hand side of the screen. To begin, I'm going to go into a model portfolio. When visiting a model portfolio, you'll see a performance chart with a benchmark along the top, along with some various key stats right below. These key stats can be performance, fundamental, or risk metrics that you can choose from. You'll notice a series of tabs along the top of any model portfolio that will allow you to look at various allocations, the securities comprising that portfolio, or performance metrics. From here, you can always generate a report that can be co-branded with your logo and customized to have the information that you find helpful when communicating with a client. If you prefer, you can always use our Excel plugin. Within the Tools dropdown, simply visit Excel, and we have a series of templates that advisors can use that are ready to go right off of our website. These are very powerful and can also be customized to fit any model that you have created. Let's talk about generating new ideas in the YChart system. Within the Tools dropdown, you'll see a stock and a fund screener. Simply go into either of these applications and begin building out your screen looking for securities that fit any number of criteria. In this case, I'm looking for large cap value, stocks, mutual funds, or ETFs that can go across expense ratio, dividend yield, and top in category. You'll also notice on the right-hand side of the screen that there is a rank in category score. This is generated via our scoring models, which is a weighted proprietary ranking methodology that will allow you to select the best securities for your investment approach. Once you have a security selected, simply click on it, and that will take you into a company quote page. In this case, we're looking at the First Trust Value Line ETF, which has a series of qualitative and quantitative metrics, including another report that you can download. If you would like to compare this security versus some of its peers, simply visit our comp tables or time series analysis tool. In this case, I'm going to go into comp tables. Let's take FVD and compare it versus another ETF. Once here, you'll notice that this predictive search will allow you to find any number of data points that you find valuable for your investment approach. I'm going to add expense ratio, 10-year returns, and how about a risk metric such as alpha? Easy as that, right? Now, YCharts can help you communicate this information with your clients. I'm going to visit our fundamental charting tool and add a couple of those same securities over on the left-hand side of my screen. Let's take FVD, the security that we found in our screening application, and compare that versus the S&P 500. Once again, just use the securities search bar to find those securities and compare them head-to-head over any trailing period or custom time period here. If something really pops out to you, then you can share this with a client via Twitter, stock twits, or download the image or print it to have it in your hands. I'm going to go back to the dashboard page, and I would encourage all of you to sign up for a trial at YCharts.com. Thank you and have a great day.